Alright, so this was supposed to be a how to fix your cooling fan video, but needless to say, I did the work and apparently none of the footage recorded. So I guess this is just going to be a sound test. I still got to take it for a test drive and make sure it doesn't overheat. I'm just going to go down, turn around, come back, turn around, park it. But this is just for, I guess, hear how it sounds. These are the original Cobra pipes that came on it. Just got rid of the baffles and then did a little cut on each end. You'll see it as I come back through. And it would seem I have to put it on the trickle charger. I guess enjoy that video instead.